How to remove CAPTCHA from Omegle PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove CAPTCHA from Omegle PC. First of all, open the web browser on your PC. Click on three dots from the top right corner and click on Settings from here. From Settings, go into Privacy and Security. Then tap on Cookies and Other Site Data. You can see all the cookies here, and you can add sites that can always use cookies, or you can add sites that can never use cookies. Tap on Add and enter the site name as omegle.com. Take the checkbox, then click on Add. After adding the site, open up a new tab and search here Omegle. Tap to open the Omegle site. Once you get into Omegle, click on Video. Take the checkboxes and tap to confirm and continue. Now you can video chat with strangers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.